Hello, it's John Longcroft-Neal here. It's the 5th of August 2023 and I'm going to do some handwriting for you. Oh yes.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
It's a while since I've done any handwriting or calligraphy on this YouTube channel. My old channel, of course, had a lot of it on. That's what it was all about. But this one, I dot around all over the place. But somebody asked for some more handwriting, so I thought, yeah, okay, let's do it. Just using a couple of things, a pencil and a pen and a bit of paper. Okay, let's get on with it. I'm not going to use any fancy materials. Piece of paper out the printer, a pencil, some sort of corporate giveaway, and a biro. That's it. The main point is going to be the rhythm. First of all, of course, let's go back to the holding of the pencil or pen, whichever you can do. Holding those three fingers so that they surround the pencil like that, and don't bunch your fingers up. Keep them like this and make the movement come from here, because what we want is this fairly rhythmic, and if you do it with your fingers, you just can't do anything else but do that. Just nice and easy. And you can then start to form letters with that rhythm. But you'll notice the important thing, I think, is that I'm going to the top and then pausing a moment and then doing the letter, whatever it is. So and we've got to know that the letters are a particular shape, of course, but I won't go over that now. So it's just that rhythm. So let me just write some stuff. Here we go. Completely at random. So I am... Stop. So there's the word going. You notice it sort of stops at the top. Going to write some random words. Let me change to the pen. The pen is horrible because it just goes all over the place. It's got no feel to go in a particular direction. So I rather like when I just did the word random. Let me do that again. So I'm tending to stop at the top of each of the letters. And carry on to try. Now this downstroke has got to be just a night. Well, that's horrible. Let's try it again. Rhythmic, is that how you spell rhythmic? Or has it got a T in it somewhere? Strange word, T. Rhythm, rhythmic, and consistent. S's are a pain, aren't they? And you notice there, it just sort of fell apart a bit. So, with a biro, let me just do this small quote for you. Just get that rhythm, like that. Here we go. just for you, I'm going to use my nice Italic pen. Now this pen, don't ask me where I bought it because it was from a craft show about 10 years ago. It just happens to have an Italic nib, which means that when, and it helps this style of writing, because when you push it that way, it's thin. When you pull it that way, it is thick, which helps produce this effect. So let me try again. Well, I hope you appreciate the effort that goes into this, because I can see from when I started this a few days ago, I had this jumper on. Anyway, there you go. Where was I? Yes. Yeah, so you can do this writing with a pencil, a biro, and if you've got an Italic pen, so much the better. But that really isn't completely necessary. Okay, there's some handwriting for you, for those who want it. Thanks for watching. Hey, subscribers, over 800 now. So if you wanted to subscribe, just get on with it. Do it, go on, do it. You know you'd like to. Okay, you'll see me next time. Bye-bye. It's a bit warm in this. I'll take it off now.